Hey, what's up, Dad's World? This is Rich. I got another how-to today. I'm here with
Zoe.
And
We are going to be pulling out some grass and putting it in our yard.
well, in a nutshell, she's correct. I'm sure you guys have spots like this in your lawns, and they die. This is from our dogs peeing. They constantly do it. Well, if you have fescue grass, what happens is it doesn't grow back till you plant in September. It's a problem. How do you make it to make this grass comes back? Because it does die. It's from the salts in their urine. It's very common. So how do I get it back all the time? Easy. I'm going to show you a little trick. All you're going to need is a screwdriver and some grass. Hold on, Zoe. Some grass. Wait. That you're going to find around your yard in places, in your flower beds and other things. She's actually taking some from right here. All we're doing is grabbing some grasses from the grass of the year. Instead of me spraying Roundup and killing it, I kind of let it grow a little bit, knowing I was going to use it. All right. Oh, that one didn't go out so good. Let's try another one. Let's get it out. Oh, those are really not coming up good, baby. Yeah, let's go to the ones over here to make it a little easy. Wow, those ones are kind of tough. They're not that big either. So here's a piece of grass. There you go. Usually, see the root, you get it all with it, especially, that's why you wait till after it rains. You can bring yours, baby, that you just pulled. You go to one of your spots, find one of your spots, because this is fescue grass, so it's a bunch grass. It grows up and down. It does not grow left or right. So what do? I simply go, I look at my spot, I make sure this is all dead, you can see, and I stab my screwdriver, I whittle it around, get a big one. Since I took the roots, it has its own roots and a little bit of dirt, I put it in there and it acts almost like a plug. So you say, well, that doesn't cover it all. Well, grass grows quick once it's at this stage. So as long as it's getting some water with the rest of the grass, it will cover this area in a very short time period. I actually had about 30 of these out here that were much bigger than this a couple weeks ago.
Correct.
I did this, and they're growing, and you can't even tell now. You can see some I just did the other day, already coming up. This whole area was dead, but now you see green fescue grass coming back. Zoe, let's do another one.
Okay.
Bring it over here.
All of them?
No, just give me one, baby.
Okay, I'll give you the
Whittle it out.
Dad, I got one from over
All
there.
right. You put one in. Just a little trash grass. It's the same grass as in my yard. It's just growing in places I don't want. On your sidewalks or perhaps in your yard and a flower bed. But I'll plant several of them in each area. You know, as long as you squeeze the ground around it, it's like pinching it. It's rooted.
There we go.
Oh, I get another one? Okay, yes. Hold on. And
this one was really easy.
You say, what do you care? I'm not that anal. Well, the reason you do this isn't that you're anal. You leave those if you can't rip them, baby.
I'm trying to.
The reason you do it is simply as this.
Oh, Dad, I got another.
We live in North Carolina. We have a clay base here. If I don't have grass in these areas, it turns to mud. I don't like mud in my house.
No one does.
Red clay from these little guys that constantly rip it up.
Duck.
So I am not a grass snob. I have a very nice yard, but I am not a grass snob. The reason I have became more of a grass guy is to keep the mud out of your house. It's a big deal. It's pretty easy. All you got to do, like I said, is find that grass. I pull it all the time out of my mulch beds, sidewalk cracks, inopportune places that you see. Yeah, and plant it in the spots. Life is easy. Good for you, good for me. Here you go, Zoe. You want to do one? Show them how it's done. I'll stab your hole. Come on. We're gonna stab a hole right in the middle. Put it down in there, baby. Yeah, just a little one. That's a little guy.
Yeah.
All right, that easy, guys. You give it a couple weeks, the hole will be gone. All right, guys, that was another episode with Rich and Dad's World. Signing off. And Zoe?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, guys.